Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Nutritious Foods. Today we're going to bake butter cookies. So we start off by measuring our flour. Keep going. Don't forget to subscribe to Nutritious Foods. Always delicious. You can DM me for your cooking lessons. If you like, you can say training. Now, so we need 500 grams of flour. We're going to add another 250. Just trying to adjust our scale. Okay, so another 250. For a beginner, to make it easier for yourself, you can measure 250. So we're using 500 grams of all-purpose plain white flour. Now, that's 500 grams of flour in total. So we already have 500 grams of flour. We need 250 grams of butter. So many hand make light work. So we have 250. This is 252. Just gonna take a bit out of that. So that will give us 250. There we go. We have 250. Gonna put that away. We have our vanilla essence. We have a baking powder, and we have milk chocolate chips. Stuff happened. Gonna take off the shell. No, we don't want to see or feel shell in our cookies. So for this recipe, we need 150 grams of sugar. Now we have our 150 grams of sugar. We're going to mix. First, we mix our butter and sugar. So for your training, don't forget to contact Nutritious Foods. Add your sugar. Now we're going to mix our butter and sugar. Hand mixer. You can also use your stand mixer if you have one. For this recipe, I want to use hand mixer. 5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So that's our vanilla extract added in our egg. We're going to use a spatula. You can also use your hand mixer if you wish. I prefer to use my spatula. You mix your butter and sugar until nice and fluffy before you add your vanilla extract and your egg. And then the next thing, you add your flour, add your baking powder, and then you mix everything together. So we use our hand to mix properly. So we want our butter and our flour to mix up properly. Now you can see it's coming together to form a dough. We still have our mixed milk chocolate cookies. We'll add that later on. Doing well. Okay, okay. Thank you. You can see that's our dough. I'm going to pop that in the fridge, for 20 to 25 minutes. For your butter cookie, you can use different cutter. This is the star cutter, this is the square cutter, this is the heart cutter, if you like, you call that love. So we'll bring out our dough from the fridge. So you just spread it out, roll it out, depending on your thickness, the thickness you want. If you want it very thin, it's left for you. Maybe like half an inch, because we're still going to place our milk chocolate cookies on it. Pin. So which of the cutters do you want us to use? Make your choice. Which one do you want us to use? That's okay. So I'm going to bring that out now. So this is one of our training session. You can take the smallest one. Place it. You can also use you can place that. Put your cutter there. Place your cutter there, just so you'll be able to bring it out properly. Yeah. Press it hard inside. Yeah. Then you just go. Have a tray here lined up. Do you want any other shape? What is that? Which other shape do you want? You want we have the heart shape, and then we have the star. Okay, let's have that smallest one as well. Okay. Even the big one. Okay. So place it on the floor. You have your shape complete, okay? Okay. You can go ahead and just push it out. Yeah. Meanwhile, our oven has been turned on. So that's our cookie. I'm gonna pop that into the oven to bake. Now our butter cookies are out from the oven. They are ready. As you can see, this is milk chocolate butter cookies. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Nolicious Foods. Like, share, and comment down below. You can also try this recipe at home and let me know what you think about it. Bye. You can see. Delicious. So delicious butter cookies.